The versatile kitchen hero, your food processor. A food processor is a multi-talented kitchen appliance designed to tackle a wide range of food preparation tasks. While it may resemble its cousin, the blender, a food processor boasts a broader skill set. Ability to handle tough jobs. One of its strengths lies in its ability to handle tough jobs like shredding vegetables, kneading dough for breads and pastries, dicing onions, and grinding spices. It excels at creating consistent textures, saving you time and effort compared to manual chopping with knives. High-speed motor and multipurpose blades. But the food processor doesn't stop at coarse work. It can also create smooth mixtures, similar to a blender. With the help of its high-speed motor and multipurpose blades, it can whip up dips, sauces, and even homemade nut butter. Larger quantities of ingredients. However, unlike a blender which specializes in liquids, the food processor thrives with a wider range of consistencies. Its wide work ball allows for processing larger quantities of ingredients, and its interchangeable blades offer versatility in textures from coarse chops to fine purees. A blender and a food processor. So, when deciding between a blender and a food processor, consider your cooking habits. If you crave perfectly smooth results and often work with liquids, a blender might be your champion. But if you value a multifunctional tool for chopping, shredding, and creating a variety of textures, the food processor reigns supreme.